let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A company's stock trade at 42 rights on. It means $42 right on. It means the stock plus the right equal to $42. So this $42 will have to be separated. The subscription price is 30 and 5 rights are required to purchase 1 share. What's the theoretical value of 1 right? So we have the right on. When we have the right on, we'll take the right on minus the subscription divided by the number of rights, 5, and remember to add the 1 because the 42 rights on is pregnant with that additional right. Therefore, 42 minus 30 equal to 12. 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. It means the value of the right is $2. The value of the stock, it's by itself, the value of the stock by itself, if the right of the value is 2, the right of the stock X right should be 40. 40 means the right of the stock is 40 separately. Now we could also compute this through the X right. So if we assume the X right is 40, 40 minus 30 divided by only 5. Remember, in the X right formula, in the denominator, we only use the rights. We don't add 1. So 10 divided by 5, you guessed it, equal to 2. Just to confirm, whether you use the rights on or the X right. The only reason I could get the X right after I computed it, but I could always confirm my computation to myself, assuming I have enough time to do that. Don't do it if you don't have the time to do it. What should you do now? Whether you are CMA candidate, CPA, accounting, finance students, go to farhatlectures.com. Look at additional resources, cases, multiple choice, simulation, exercises, true, false, lectures, AI resources to help you learn the material better. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.